Hey guys, this is me. We're getting ready to go to Mikey's big ceremony. Mikey, what do you have to say?
I got dragon, pretzel, ranch, crackers. Best day for life.
What do you have to say about the ceremony?
It is going
Hi,
to.
sweetie.
You're all up to my.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
I think the ceremony.
Why not?
I think the ceremony is gonna be great.
Okay, so guys, we'll see you when we get to the ceremony. Bye. Love you.
Hey guys, good morning. Hopefully you guys can see me. Happy fantabulous Sunday. It is Sunday, April 30th, you guys. We didn't film anything yesterday. We did not do any vlogs or anything like yesterday because we were painting and fixing the house up and doing some like minor renovations, Michael and I. Like we were putting up the walls and sanding and painting and cleaning and stuff like that. So we really didn't have time to like really do any vlogs or anything, but I wanted to do a vlog today to kind of give you guys something for the weekend. Guys, the struggle is real, okay? Like I'm trying, but all week has been like hot. It's been like in the 70s, you know, close to 80 degrees, and this morning it's like 43 degrees. And I think today it's supposed to be I think it's supposed to be like 50 or something like that today. 55. It's supposed to be 55 degrees today, and then tomorrow is going to be 77. So it's like, are you really serious? It's supposed to rain, so, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, so I am on my way to the grocery store as usuals. I'm just gonna go grab something for breakfast because, like I said, I didn't get a chance to. I went grocery shopping. It was like a minor grocery shopping on Friday, and I was supposed to go yesterday, but I just didn't have the time to do that, and so I need to run and just pick up something for breakfast for today and for dinner for later. So I have get my thoughts together. I have a little bit of allergies, so I feel it in my throat and my nasal cavity. It's like struggling to breathe. It's crazy. Mikey actually stayed home on Friday. He had a field trip, but he actually stayed home on Friday because his allergies were so bad that it caused him to like really started wheezing, and he literally could not breathe. So we had to give him like breathing treatments with the like hot water. We boiled some hot water with a little bit of the tea tree oil in there, and we gave it to him to like, we put a towel over his head so he can breathe it in. And guys, amazingly enough, it actually worked. It opened up, and we only gave him 2 treatments, and it opened him up so much that he was able to breathe clearly and sleep through the night, and he doesn't even have any wheezing anymore, thank God. So I've been just reading up on Google and try to find some information pertaining to like natural remedies for wheezing or asthma, if you want to call it that. But I've been just doing that, and I found some really cool stuff, and they actually do work. Like, we've been giving them since Thursday a teaspoon of honey every morning, and obviously I cook with coconut oil all the time, so they've been doing that, and we've been juicing like normal, and it actually has been doing really, really good with them, like especially with Mikey, because wheezing or asthma is more like an immune deficiency. I'm sorry, that's my mom. Hold on, you guys. Hello? Brittany! What's up, cuz? Hey guys, sorry about that. That was my cousin Brady from Jamaica. Yeah, but anyway, what I was saying, I don't remember. Allergies, I think that's what it was. Yes, and Mikey had to stay home because thank God he's doing much better now. We did all the natural remedies, and it's more like a lifestyle. So that's what we're going to be doing every single day anyway. We're going to be giving them, you know, honey and everything like that. They're regular vitamins. But anyway, I am having a good morning so far. It is 7:25. Everything is like still closed except for the grocery store. And I am going to go get some breakfast and something for dinner, which I don't even know what I'm going to make for dinner. I just need to do something simple, easy. I don't know. I wanted to do, really? The light is green and she just ran the red light. I wanted to do a roast beef, but I did that on Wednesday, I think it was. I made a roast beef. So I really don't know what I'm going to make for dinner tonight, you guys. I don't know, but something simple and easy and tasty. Yesterday I made some baked chicken and some rice. So we'll see. But anyway, how are you guys doing? How you doing? My Wendy Williams voice. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great morning, a great day when you're watching this, a great day, great afternoon. Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Fantabulous Monday. How are you? Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. It is 7:18 in the morning, and we are getting ready to get the kids together and get them out for school. But just wanted to say hi, good morning to you guys.
Hi.
Are you going to say hi to the fams? Huh? You going to say hi to the fams? As you guys can see, she doesn't have any clothes on, so. You going to say hi to the fams?
Hi.
See her hair, how crazy it is?
Okay.
Excited to go to school this morning?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, guys, so I'm going to get these babies ready, and I'll see you guys a little later. Hey, guys. Happy Fantabulous Saturday morning. It is May 6th. I'm so exhausted right now. Oh, my God. I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning because my wonderful husband was so tired that he was snoring so hard. But it's okay. We got a few things to do today, but right now, Michaela and I, Kayla Beasy, where we headed to?
We're going to the store.
We're headed to the grocery store. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:54 right now. And I feel like I don't know. I feel like I'm still sleeping, but I'm awake. I don't know what it is, but my eyes are tired. It's burning. But I tried to go back to sleep and I couldn't because it's light out. Does that happen to anybody? You can't go back to sleep when you get up because it gets light outside?
Me. Sometimes I do that.
Yeah. Guys, this, the Simba... Yesterday, because we're still doing a lot of cleaning and organizing and everything, and so yesterday in one of the closets downstairs, I was going through the closet and I looked and I saw Simba's head, peeking out, and I'm just like, what is that? So I took it out the bag. It was in like a black garbage bag. I took it out the bag, and then I saw Spider-Man, like a Spider-Man plush. So I took that one out the bag, and then I saw a bear. I was like, wait a minute. I bought this for the kids for Christmas last year and totally forgot to give it to them. Crazy, right? So yesterday morning I took it out and I gave it to them. I was just like, Merry Christmas. I bought this for you guys last year and totally forgot to give it to you guys. So
He has a nice haircut.
now she's loving her Simba.
Look at these eyes.
They don't lie.
They don't lie about these cute eyes.
And guys, Michaela, she has her artwork is going to be displayed at the mall
It's right there, Mom.
in an art exhibit next week, Tuesday. So that is going to be so exciting. And last week we actually, Mikey, he wrote an article for the local newspaper, and his article got chosen, you know, among so many other students, but his article got chosen to be published, and he was honored last week at the newspaper, the place where the newspaper is printed and everything. And so it was just such a cute ceremony. He has an award and everything he got from there. I mean, it was just so amazing. Like, a lot has been going on this week, and their report cards, all three of them, has been impeccable. I am so grateful to God. They are such great students. And now she has her artwork going to be displayed at an art exhibit in the mall. Super excited. So Tuesday is the ceremony, next week Tuesday, and we're going to be going, and it's just so exciting. So we're going to take you guys along on the journey with her, and yeah, so you guys can leave her a comment and let her know what you guys think once you see the artwork. I know it's going to be great because she's super, super artistic. So I'm so proud of my kids. Yeah, but anyway, we are on our way out, you guys. Oh, and something amazing also is happening, but I'll let Daddy BZ tell you because it actually has to do with him. So we will see you guys in the little while.
Wait.
What?
Just wait until you see my leprechaun, guys. I don't know if I brought it home. I think I did bring it home. But you can see all my other artwork, okay?
Okay.